Ultimate pre- and post-workout nutrition. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about something that's just as important as your workout itself, fueling your body the right way. Whether you're looking to build muscle, boost endurance, lose fat, or just stay healthy, what you eat before and after your workout can make a huge difference in your performance and recovery. I've seen it all, people putting in the hours at the gym but not seeing the results they want, and often, it comes down to poor nutrition. But when you dial in your nutrition, it can totally supercharge your progress. So in this video, we are going to dive deep into exactly what you should be eating before and after your workouts to get the most out of your training and hit those fitness goals. I'll break it all down for you: what to eat before to fuel up, what to eat after to recover, and how the right nutrition can be your secret weapon in your fitness journey. So stick around, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to help you reach your goals faster. Let's get into it. Let's understand a topic that often gets overlooked but is super important for anyone serious about fitness: nutrition. Specifically, how the right food choices before and after your workout can make all the difference in your performance and recovery. Let's break it down. During intense workouts, your body relies on glycogen, that's the stored carbohydrates in your muscles, to fuel those high-energy moves. But it's not just about carbs. Protein, fats, and carbs all play crucial roles in muscle recovery, energy production, and endurance. Basically, if you want to get the most out of your workout and see real progress, you've got to fuel up right. And it's not just about powering through the workout. Your body also needs those nutrients to repair tissues and adapt to the stress of exercise. Now, let's talk specifics. If you want to keep your energy levels steady and avoid early fatigue, here are some great pre-workout carb options. Good pre-workout carbohydrate options. 1. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa. 2. Sweet potatoes. 3. Whole grain bread or pasta. 4. Fruits like bananas, berries, and apples. 5. Vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and kale. These foods provide sustained energy, keeping your blood sugar stable throughout your workout. And if you're doing something intense like heat or heavy weightlifting, try combining complex carbs with simple carbs, like fruit, for that extra energy boost right when you need it. Alright guys, that's the lowdown on why nutrition is key to your workout routine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. So let's break it down. Your body needs three main things to function at its best: protein, carbs, and fats. But how do these nutrients play a role in your workouts? That's exactly what we are covering in this video. 2. Protein, supporting muscle performance. Let's understand the protein. Protein is essential for muscle repair, growth, and keeping those gains you've worked so hard for. Eating a snack or meal with protein before your workout can help reduce muscle breakdown and give you those important amino acids for recovery. Good pre-workout protein sources. 1. Chicken or turkey breast. 2. Greek yogurt. 3. Eggs or egg whites. 4. Cottage cheese. 5. Plant-based proteins like tofu, tempeh, lentils, and chickpeas. Pairing protein with carbs ensures that your muscles have a steady flow of amino acids and the energy you need to power through that workout. And timing matters too. Here's a quick guide for when to eat based on your schedule. Pre-workout timing. Large meals, 500 to 700 calories, 3 to 4 hours before your workout. Smaller meals, 300 to 500 calories, 2 to 3 hours before your workout. Snacks: 100 to 200 calories, 30 minutes to an hour before your workout. Need something quick? A banana with peanut butter or a smoothie can give you that last-minute energy boost without weighing you down. Okay, now you've crushed your workout. What next? Post-workout nutrition is all about recovery. Your muscles are primed for repair, and you need to replenish your glycogen stores. Post-workout nutrition. Let's start with carbohydrates. After an intense workout, your glycogen stores are low, and your body needs carbs to rebuild them. Here are some great post-workout carb options. Good post-workout carbohydrate sources: brown rice, sweet potatoes, quinoa, whole wheat pasta or bread, fruits like bananas, berries, and oranges, veggies like carrots, beets, and squash. Within 30 to 60 minutes after your workout is the best time to refuel with carbs, and pairing them with protein will really maximize your recovery. Lean meats like chicken or turkey, fish like salmon or tuna, eggs, Greek yogurt, protein shakes, cottage cheese. Now for protein. After a workout, your muscles need amino acids to repair those tiny tears that happen during exercise. Try to aim for 20 to 40 grams of protein within an hour of finishing up. And don't forget about fats. While you don't need too much fat right after your workout, adding small amounts can help with recovery. Think healthy fats like nuts, avocados, or fatty fish like salmon. Post-workout hydration. Lastly, hydration. You've lost water and electrolytes during your workout, so make sure to drink plenty of water, about 16 to 24 ounces for every pound of body weight lost. If you had a long or intense workout, consider replenishing electrolytes too. To wrap it all up, here are a few meal ideas to get you started. Pre-workout meal ideas: oatmeal with fruit and almonds, whole grain toast with peanut butter and banana, Greek yogurt with berries and honey, brown rice and chicken, smoothie with protein powder, spinach, banana, and almond butter. Post-workout meal ideas: grilled salmon with sweet potatoes and veggies, chicken breast with quinoa and roasted veggies, protein shake with banana and almond butter, egg white omelette with spinach, avocado, and whole wheat toast, Greek yogurt with honey, chia seeds, and fresh fruit. So there you have it. Whether you're prepping for a workout or recovering afterward, the right nutrition is key to getting the most out of your efforts. Keep your meals balanced, plan around your workout, and remember that consistency is everything. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more fitness tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.